Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? I'm Hannah from Speak Better Spanish. I have been living in the city of Monterrey in Nuevo León, northern Mexico for about 2.5 years now. And today I'm going to teach you guys a Mexican word, I don't know, maybe phrase, because it's actually 2 words, that you will hear a lot throughout different parts of Mexico. And if you use it, it will make you sound a lot more like a local. The word is luego luego, and it means right away. So as compared to luego, which means later, it's actually kind of the opposite. And here's an example of how you could use that. La lavandería está luego luego del parque. So the laundry is right, like literally right after the park. Or, ¿te gustan los tacos? Porque los comiste luego luego. Do you like tacos? Because you ate them right away. So I hope that helps you guys. Feel free to drop an example in the comments below of how you might use luego luego, like a local.